Now let's see how can we delete the specific row from the table. So basically here's the our syntax. Delete is the built-in keyword from as well, and here we will have to input our the table name whatever it has, where similarly we will have to here specify the condition from where we are going to remove the row, where column name is equal to the that column value. So now let's see in action. Delete from employees data, where employee id is equal to 104. What does it mean? Delete from employees data, where employee id this column is equal to 104, here the 104. Now let's execute it here. Now it has been executed, and let's see now. So here you can see the 104 employee id row has been deleted successfully. So in this way we can insert and update and delete the data in our table. Next we will see how to retrieve data with select statement with specific conditions.